tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the escape room Google form. And if you'll notice, I already have my Google form pulled up here. And the first thing I'm going to do is give it a title, and I'm just going to call it the Digital Escape Room. And then I'm going to click up here in the left to transfer that up there. And then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to click on my little wheel. You can choose to have it collect email addresses if you would like. You can choose to limit it to one response. I don't do that just simply because I want to be able to use my Google form over and over again with kids. You can also click on the presentation thing and leave them a confirmation message that they've escaped, and I just put on there, "Congrats, you escaped," and click Save there. Now we're ready for our first question. You just click the plus sign, and for our first question, I'm going to do a 5-directional lock. And then in parentheses, I'm just going to put my up, down, left, up, down, left, and right, so that they know to use the letters. And you'll notice that I have it changed over to short answer. That is what works best for the Google Escape Room forms. Click on your required, then click on date or your response validation, and then you'll notice it has numbers, and that's not what we're doing, so we're going to change it over to text. This is where I put my answer, and let's just say that my answer is up, up, whoops, let's make sure that's in caps, up, down, left, right, up, and then come over here to my custom error, and this is where I leave a message, "Try again," all caps. And then I can go in and see what that question is going to look like in, oops, wrong button. Go in, click on my bird's eye, and see what that question will look like for participants in my escape room, and I type in my up, down, left, right, up. My lock has officially disappeared, and they can and then they can click submit because it's the only lock, and it gets "Congrats, you did it." But let's say we wanted to add a different type of lock. Let's go in and add another lock. Let's add, this time let's do a date lock. Okay, so date lock, and then again I just switch it over to short answer. I come down and click required. That's the only way I can get to what I need, so I'm going to click on my little 3 dots, click response validation. I'm going to make this a text answer, and my answer is going to be July 4th, 1776. And then again I'll give my usual answer of "try again," so they know whether or not they got it right. And that's how you set up the locks for your digital escape room. Hope you find this helpful.